Hi, I'm Steve Harvey with Harvey & Sons, and we're here at our C&D recycling facility. This equipment behind me is actually comes from the Netherlands, and the Europeans are way ahead of us on recycling markets and so forth, and we're slowly, as Americans, catching up to them. But this type of equipment we're hoping to use in our new Hopkinton facility.
Separate the trash, so that heavier material comes into the building, falls into the water bath, which is just like a waterfall. Everything that floats over the waterfall and gets spread out onto this conveyor belt here. So what do you see? It's definitely going to separate more of the wood product and then go into the cabin area to be sorted. So it sets those sorters up for success by pulling that product out. Material that sinks comes out on this conveyor belt. A lot of aggregate. So the wood is going to get ground up and be either used in biomass energy plants, or it's going to be used for mulch or wood pellets or things like that. That's for the cleaner wood. The metal will get basically melted down and be reused as steel. And the plastic products, that we bale that here, and it goes overseas. And some stays domestic, and it'll get recycled into new plastic items like lumber, things like that. And then the cardboard and paper will go to a paper mill after it's baled and get pulped down and made into new craft products, cardboard and craft products. And then the last bunker is for aggregate brick and concrete. That'll get crushed down to 6 inches and then get reused for clean fill